Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses. Why do we use stiffeners in traditional shoemaking? And how does not using stiffeners on barefoot shoes affect our footwear? And the solution I have. In traditional shoes, like these loafers, we have stiffeners between the upper and lining in the toe and back parts. There are a few types: leather stiffeners, chemical fabric stiffeners, and thermoplastic. They keep the shape of the footwear regardless of the type of shoe lasts and protect our feet. In barefoot shoes, we don't have any stiffeners, and that's why, together with the thin sole, barefoot shoes are flexible and lightweight. The lack of stiffeners in most DIY barefoot shoes makes them look worn from the first step. They have loose sides and are shapeless. To overcome this problem, in my new barefoot shoes course, I have created a professional solution that combines design, pattern making, and comfort. For full details about the solution and my online barefoot shoes course, please check the link below the video.